Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be doing 4 of the Essence gel nail polishes, the sheer ones, and actually make them more opaque. I have been requested to do this video just to show you what the sheer ones are actually like with 2 coats, with 3 coats even. And yeah, here we go. There were 4 polishes in the 45 new shades that were actually classified as sheer by Essence themselves. So I'm just going to show you what they look like, doing 3 coats for each and every single one, just to show you what they're capable of, and for you to actually see and decide whether or not you're going to do 1 coat, 2 coats, or even 3 coats if you want it to be like the most opaque as these can actually get. So first of all, we have number 3, Icing on the Cake. This one is a very nice white, milky kind of color. I think it's really pretty. I didn't feel like it was like super sheer, but of course it definitely depends on how thick of a coat you are going to apply and whether or not you are going to do multiple coats, of course. But this color, it is definitely one of my favorites when it comes to more sheer kind of polishes, because I just love the milky kind of look. I have loved it ever since I started growing my nails out when I was 12 years old, which will be 24 years ago. This year, oh my god people, I'm turning 36 this year. Can you believe it? It's crazy. I really don't feel my age though. I feel like I've been stuck at feeling like being 25 or something, and I think that will be like that for the rest of my life. But that's just a little like side rant or side note. Icing on the Cake, yeah, I just love it. It is already pretty decent within 2 coats, but this 3rd layer, oh, it is gorgeous. It definitely looks like icing on a cake. It is such a nice, like soft white, like very sweet kind of looking color. I really like it. I should have done this video like faster than I actually did, because I'm really impressed with how this looks with 3 coats. And yeah, let's just continue with the next one, which is a little bit similar to the previous one. This one is called Sugar Blush, and it is the same as the previous one but with a hint of pink in there. So it's a very soft pink, very milk bath kind of looking as well, which is something that I love. I've actually done a couple of different milk bath nails like back like 4 years ago, I think. I don't even know how long it's been since that was actually such a big trend, such a big hype, but I still really love it. And I'm actually thinking of doing a new milk bath nails kind of design. If you're like really curious about that, just like I am with using these polishes, for example, let me know in the comments down below. And also, what would you like me to include in that design? Because I've got a bunch of different really nice water decals, for example, like floral or even maybe like bug print, because I've done a bug print nail bath design before and I love that. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, here I'm already applying the 3rd layer of Sugar Blush. I think it is such a nice soft color. Once again, very similar to the first one, but it's a little bit less stark because there's a drop of pink in there, so it's not as harsh white as the previous one, but still very lovely. This kind of reminds me of like a polish that you could wear to your own wedding, for example. I think it's so lovely, especially if you're going for a natural soft looking kind of nail. This is the polish for you. It's really beautiful. The next one, once again, Sheer Me Out, is also very suitable for the natural kind of look. This polish definitely made me feel like this is a color like my nails but better. It's very beautiful. It is kind of a soft pinkish nude kind of shade, even softer than the previous like slightly pinky hued milk bath kind of color. This one is very sheer, I have to say, but also very nude looking, at least on my skin tone. I am very curious to hear or see what this polish would look like on darker toned skin. I think it would look really beautiful, to be honest, like even more like my nails but better. I don't know. I think it's beautiful. I think this is one of those polishes that everyone can wear, no matter what your skin undertone is, what your skin color is. I think this is a polish that will suit everyone. Because it is not super pink, it is more on the nudie kind of tone, but not like beigey nude, if you know what I mean. It's not orangey, it's not too like white. I don't know. I think it's a really lovely shade, and once again with 3 coats it is, I'd say, like 90% opaque. I feel like I can still see my natural smile line peeking through a little bit, which isn't a bad thing. Like, for me personally, I love my polishes to be super opaque and bright and fun and just in your face. So doing a video like this is a little bit out of my comfort zone because I just love my polishes to be creamy and super opaque and such. But yeah, I really, really like that polish. The fourth and final sheer polish from the 45 new Essence Gel Nail Polish collection polishes is number 9 Soft Spoken. This one, I think it has to do with the tone, like formula and consistency wise. I feel like they're very similar to the previous 3. No complaints about it because these are marketed as sheer polishes, so that's pretty much it. But I feel like wearing this polish, it looks like I'm a smoker. Like my nails are stained because I smoke, which I don't, by the way. I have to do like a little disclaimer. I have never smoked in my life, but this is just one of those like beigey, orangey kind of nude tones that is just not for me. And it might have to do with the fact that it just doesn't really suit my skin tone. Maybe it looks a lot better if you have like a more dark skin tone, a darker complexion, but for me it just makes me look like my nails are very much stained, and not because of nail polishes. Like stained in a bad way. Other than that, 3 coats, it is pretty much completely opaque. I don't have any complaints about that. The color itself is just not for me. But yeah, let me know what you think about this shade, and of course the other 3 shades as well. Personally, Sheer Me Out is really beautiful. Sugar Blush is definitely one of my favorites, as well as Icing on the Cake. I just love those 3 shades. They're a little bit more light, a little bit more pinkish, a little bit more nude, especially Sheer Me Out. But Soft Spoken is just not for me, and it has to do with the color tone. Other than that, they're perfectly fine polishes. They are buildable in about 3 coats. If you like it a little bit more sheer, go for 1 or 2 coats. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.